Fellas, have you checked yourself lately? Did you know that testicular cancer is the most common cancer in men ages 15 to 35? Manscaped has partnered with the Testicular Cancer Society to teach you how to check yourself for testicular cancer. First, you'll want to take a warm shower. Second, use both hands to gently roll your little fellas one at a time between your fingers. Check it for lumps, change in size, or any pain. If you feel a soft tube on top or behind your testicles, don't panic. This is the epididymis, and it's totally normal. We recommend checking yourself once a month. And if you do feel any lumps or swelling, then talk to your doctor right away. Hello? So fellas, make sure you check yourself before you wreck yourself. Share this video to help spread awareness. Manscaped and the Testicular Cancer Society. Together, we save balls.